All right, let's not mess up the tail whip. Hey, look at that. Thanks. Alright folks, so we're back at it with another YouTube video. As promised previously, I have mentioned that I would do a video at the Huntsville Skatepark, and I'm actually currently parked right in front of it, and we're just gonna have a blast at the skate park. I have went there once before, but since then, honestly, I really haven't had the chance. I gotta say, work's been keeping me crazy busy, and all of my weekends have always been filled with something. Regardless though, we have an opportunity. We're gonna take it. Let's just hop right into this, grab the scooter stuff, and roll right into it. Well, now that we got the stretches in, you know what time it is. GoPro. Maybe the luck, but the crappiest try. Alright, so I think I'm gonna end it there for the GoPro clips. Now we're gonna switch to a different kind of like GoPro clips, kind of like the riding / chill talking. I've done like a few previously, but not as many, but yeah, let's just switch right over. Alright, we're gonna give this one a go. Out of the bank, we're gonna try to do a 360 whip. Honestly, I don't do those too often, so let's see how they roll. Oh, 270-ish. All right, second try. Right on down this bank. Right on back up, and let's see. Well, let's hope on it. Third luck's the charm, guys. Again. All right, let's go on this. Get some speed. Oh, dang it. My toes dry. All right, let's go. Hey, look at that. I don't get those too often. All right, gonna do a quick little truck driver, and I think we're gonna try to get a quad whip, guys. Let's get this. Ooh, almost skedaddle out of that one. All right, first attempt. I don't do these too often, but let's hope for the best. Get some speed. Oh yeah, we can definitely get that. All right, second try. Ah, come on, come on. Okay, let's commit. Let's flipping go. And just I promise. Good old H2O, eh? Water's the best thing. All right, enough of a water break. Let's full send some more tricks. Thanks. All right, let me try to do a little bit of a curse trick. Watch this, guys. Quick little drop down, bar spin. All right, bar spin tip, extra ride. And just like that, tail whip out. And next go. And in the meantime, let's do a quick little whip rewind. Oh, that was crazy clean. All right, back to back. Once we'll send it. All right, let's ride. All right, let's not mess up the tail whip. Oh, how do you end up overspinning it? Tail whip out. I am this close to scream like a dinosaur. For crying out loud.
A few moments later.
Oh my god. Let's see. This part's the easiest. There's this stupid part right here that's just ridiculous. I don't even care. We're gonna take that, guys. All right. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm trying to bend my back, but there's like a little like C curve. Let's try to see what we can do on it. And just because we can, we're gonna hit the rail beforehand before we hit the curve. Oh my god, that was a close call, guys. All right, let's see. Maybe not too fast. Let's hop right on here. Yeah, note to designer. A little bit too sharp. I think it's on a scooter. Let's give that another try. Okay, let's hit the rail again and try to curve again. Not too shabby. Let's try to get this. Maybe I was a little bit too fast last time. Yeah, not a fan of it. All right, well, honestly, I think that ledge is going to be the nail in my coffin for this video. Honestly, interesting ledge. Kind of reminds me of the one down at the Moncton Skatepark in New Brunswick. Regardless though, enough talking. I am going to end today's video. I hope you guys absolutely enjoyed it. Honestly, I had a great time filming it, and each time that I just film my screening video, it makes me miss it. You know, free time is very limited on my end. I try to make the best out of it. Tomorrow, I'm actually going out to do some hiking at a very popular location in Ontario, and I'll probably slap a video together to have it presented to you fellas. Aside from that though, that's about all that I had to share. I hope you guys enjoyed the beautiful Smexy scooter tricks. But without waiting, thumbs up. As always, you know what to do. Subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Thank you so much for the people that actually sticks until the end and is listening to that statement. Greatly appreciate it. Regardless, catch you all in the next video.